Hello my friends, today I am back with a video of how to be a good programmer and write a program. Means how to learn programming. How to learn programming and what's the correct way of programming. So today we'll know that how to do programming and the correct way, the sequence in which we have to write the programs for the good functioning of it and to have better knowledge of the programming language. So today we'll talk on this topic only. So welcome to our YouTube channel Study with Amit. I am Amit and today I welcome you on this YouTube channel. So let's start with our video. Before starting this video, I would like to tell that watch till end as because if you miss any of the point, it will lead to damage of the programming skills that you have or what you have learned in this video will be uh, what we say fresh means it will go away just like this because at some point I will say some important things which are very necessary for being a good programmer. So let's start. So you have made one program in which they will put the value and they will get the addition of that correctly. So that's the reason why the programmers are means why the programmers exist. This is the reason because calculator is also programmed. It is programmed in that way that it works as it is required for the person means for the users for whom the calculator is made. So that's the reason. So first of all, you should know that why you are writing your program. Our next point says that you should know the syntax, the pattern of writing a program. If you are writing a program, then you should know that yes, this program is written in this way. The syntax means what we say, the outer face means what outer thing which is same in each and every program that we should know. Without knowing that, how we'll write a good program. So that was our second point. Moving to our next point, it says that algorithms are one of the important thing which we should know. It is generally not taught in our schools, but yes, it is necessary because in algorithm only we know step by step the way to write a program and to understand it. So this is the one of the good way to understand the program before starting to learn it. So algorithm is one of the good way. Our next point says that for writing for being a good programmer and writing good programs we should know the flow chart. Flow charts, yes, it is very necessary to know the flow charts as it gives us knowledge and better presentation of any program. Means if we see a flow chart scientifically also it is proved that yes, human brain works virtually. Photographic brain. You have heard of photographic brain? Yes, you would have heard because that's what in which the scientists are research having research. So that's where we stand and by that we know that yes, this flow chart is going in this way. So yes, we know the flow chart and then we'll write a program. If we write the same way what it is there in flow chart, then it will surely be correct. That we'll know by just matching both of the things. And in flow charts there are different types of boxes and arrow lines, so that we'll know when you will learn the flow chart. So our next point, moving to our next point, is if you are learning any of the program, means if you are learning Java, Python, C or any of the language, then you should know that yes, this program means if we move in this way, then we'll get this result. So we should have a good knowledge of program and how to write it. So we should have the knowledge that how it works if we give this input, then how it will react and what the output it will give to us. So that we should know, and by knowing this, if we will write the program, then our program will be successful. That I think, and yes, it will be successful because we have known that algorithm and flowcharts, they are the one of the important thing that will, if we'll check in algorithm that this function comes after this, then we'll surely find that where the mistake lies. So that's the reason all the points are interrelated with each other. So let's move to our next point. Next point is practicals. Practicals are one of the important thing. If we are writing program in pen and paper, then we are not able to find our errors. So if we want to be a good programmer, then we have to do the practicals. When we write the program in PC or any laptop or anything, so we get, if we have error in our program, then it shows, and the place where it is error is present, that also it shows, and we have to go at that place and correct it, check that, and then we have to see that it is correct, means there is no error. If there is no error, so the program is correct. Then we check what we give input and the output coming from the program is same or not, means what we need, the output is same what we needed or not. So that's how we come to know that yes, this program is correct. So we should do, means practicals are one of the important thing which is there in this type of things. So let's move to our next point. Our next point says that logic. Logic is one of the important thing. Now you will say that how we will develop the logic. So by doing the programs, we develop it slowly. Means yes, it is there in some cases that anyone has a good logic and he can, means think like that in higher levels than others. So that's advanced case. But yes, if we write program, if we continuously write programs, and then if we try, means by writing the program we develop our logic, we see a new program and we put our logic, and that's how we come to know that yes, this program works like this program works like this. By this only our logic develops. Means if we are writing program for any of the thing, prime number, even number, odd number, so we have different logic in different programs. So by this only, we, by putting our logic, we experience, means different programs are experienced by us, and we write it differently. So that was the reason, that's our last point, that logic is one of the important thing that we should try to develop in ourselves. So this point will surely help you to be a good programmer. If you have not noted it, then again watch it again and note the points which are very important for you, as you think that yes, these points may help you to be a good programmer and write good programs. The correct way of writing the program is like this, which I have said in algorithm, flowchart, series, sequence. What I said, that's a correct way to write programs. So that was the video all about. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, then do share it with your friends. So thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.